What if I told you that one system could turn any topic in any niche you choose, history, finance, true crime, motivation, into a fully scripted, fully produced video every single time? Today, I will show you how to build a research engine. Build it once, and it turns any idea into a fully produced video anytime you need one. This isn't a tutorial you follow once and forget. This is a system you build once and reuse for every single video after. Here's the problem with most AI video tutorials. You watch one, you copy some prompts, and you make a video. Then next week, you want another one, and you are starting from zero again. Same research, same prompt hunting, same manual work every time. What we are building today fixes that. By the end of this video, you'll have a system that already knows your niche, your audience, and your style. So all you have to do is hand it a topic and let it work. Stay with me until step 4. Miss it, and you will generate twice the scenes you actually need. Welcome to AIpreneur, and let us build it step by step. Step 1, the knowledge base. Everything starts in NotebookLM with 6 notebooks. Each one teaches your system a different layer of knowledge about your niche. You build these once. After today, you don't touch them again unless you switch niches completely. Notebook 1 is competitor research. So first, go to YouTube and search for your niche. For this example, use the niche you are building around. It could be history, finance, true crime, motivation, or any other topic you want to make videos about. Once the search results appear, do not just pick the first videos YouTube shows you. Instead, click the filters button, go to sort by, and choose view count. Now YouTube starts showing you the videos that pull the most attention in that niche. This is important because we are not trying to study random videos. We are trying to study videos that already proved they can get clicks, hold attention, and attract viewers. Now, open 8 to 10 of the best videos you can find. And when I say best, I do not mean only the biggest channels. Look for videos that clearly overperformed. For example, a small channel with one video getting hundreds of thousands of views is usually more interesting than a massive channel getting normal views. That means the idea, the hook, or the structure probably worked really well. As you open each video, copy the video URL and paste it into a simple text file. You can use Notepad, Google Docs, or any basic document. Keep it simple. Just create a clean list of links. Do not close this file after you finish, because we will use these same videos again later in Notebook 3 when we study hooks and retention. So now you should have a clean list of 8 to 10 top performing videos from your niche. Next, open NotebookLM. Create a new notebook, then add the YouTube URLs you just collected in the website's panel. Once all the links are added as sources, go to the chat box and paste this prompt. That studies the top performing videos in your niche. Watch what comes back. It recommends an exact video length for your niche and tells you why. And it finds a content gap, an angle nobody else is covering. That gap is where your next video lives. One notebook down. Time to get inside your viewer's head. Notebook 2 is audience psychology. What does this viewer actually want? What scares them? And what makes them click? So, open a new notebook. Use NotebookLM's deep research feature for this one, swapping in your niche, and paste in this prompt that analyzes the psychology of your YouTube audience based on your niche. In a few moments, NotebookLM will run a deep search of your audience. When it finishes, hit Import into the Sources panel, then paste the next prompt that analyzes your audience deeply. Let it run, and you've just given your system the emotional map of your exact viewer. Every script it writes from here speaks directly to what this person actually wants to feel. You know who you're talking to. Now let's hook them. The third notebook is Hook and Retention. This studies how the best videos in your niche grab attention in the first 5 seconds and hold it to the very end. Now, pull up those same top performing videos again. Open the text file where you saved the video links earlier and go through them one by one. For each video, copy the title first, because the title shows the promise that made people click. Then, open the transcript and copy only the first 60 seconds. Save everything in one simple text document: the title, the video link, and the first 60 seconds of the transcript. Repeat this for 8 to 10 videos. Once the document is ready, upload it as your source here, and run deep research on hook patterns for your niche. When it finishes, import the result and run this prompt in the chat that analyzes the hooks and patterns deeply. This is your system's playbook for the exact opening lines and pacing tricks that keep people from scrolling away. Nothing generic, all of it pulled from videos that already proved it works. Attention secured. Now let's nail the craft behind it. Notebook 4 is video technique, the actual craft behind the videos that work. Pacing, narration style, music, and how scenes are sequenced. This one's fully research-based. Open a new notebook, run deep research again on your niche, then paste this prompt. That analyzes the storytelling techniques used in your niche and runs it. Import the result, then run this prompt. This report is what keeps your finished video from feeling homemade. It tells your system exactly how fast to cut, how the narration should sound, and where the music should sit underneath it all. The craft is locked in. Now let's give it a look. Notebook 5 is visual identity, and what look actually fits your niche. Cinematic, photorealistic, illustrated, something else entirely. Same process. Deep research first, then run this prompt that examines what visual style dominates your niche. Run it, import the result, then run this prompt. This is the visual fingerprint of your niche. The colors, the lighting, the camera angles your audience already expects. Your system now knows exactly what right looks like before it generates a single image. Lastly, Notebook 6 is your AI tool reference, and this one's different. Instead of deep research, you upload the official prompt guides for whatever tools you're actually using for image, voice, and video. Find their official prompting guide and paste those URLs in the site's web source. Then run this prompt that analyzes every tool guide used in the visual production. Whatever tools you upload become your system's vocabulary. The gems will write every prompt in that exact language. No guessing, no mismatched terms your tools don't understand. This is the knowledge base. 6 notebooks and 1 niche, fully understood. Everything else runs on. 6 notebooks built. Now let's turn that knowledge into an expert content writer. Step 2, the writer engine. 6 notebooks of research are useless sitting on their own. Now we hand them a brain that can actually write. So open Google Gemini. From the Gemini homepage, look for the settings area, then click on Gems. This is where Gemini lets you create your own knowledge. Click New Gem. Now give this gem a clear name. For this first one, name it Story Engine. This is the part of the system that will write your actual video script based on your niche research. Then go to the knowledge section. Here, connect all 6 notebooks you just created in NotebookLM. That means the competitor research notebook, the audience psychology notebook, the hook and retention notebook, the video technique notebook, the visual identity notebook, and the AI tool reference notebook. Once you connect those notebooks, it starts acting like a niche-specific content writer that already understands what works in your market. Now, in instructions field, paste this master prompt. That turns Gemini into your scriptwriter, using your 6 notebooks to write a clean voiceover script from any topic. One important thing, your NotebookLM account and your Gemini account need to be the same Google account or the connection won't work. Now, here's the part that actually matters. This gem doesn't invent ideas for you. You bring the topic, the specific angle, the moments you want covered, and optionally your target length. The more specific you are, the better it performs. Good input in, great script out. What comes back is a clean voiceover script. No labels, no brackets, no stage directions, just words, ready to paste straight into a voice tool. Step 3, voiceover. Take that script into ElevenLabs. Go to text to speech. On the right side, pick a voice that fits the tone of your niche. Calm and steady works for most styles. Dramatic and intense for true crime or high-stakes stories. Paste your full script into the text box, hit generate, and let it process. Once it's ready, listen back to it once. If the pacing feels off, try a different voice or adjust the punctuation in your script for longer pauses. When it sounds right, download the audio. Write down the exact length of that voiceover in seconds. You will need that number in the next step. You have a voice. Now you need a blueprint for everything it needs to show. Step 4, the production table. Now we have the script engine ready. But a script alone is not enough. To turn that script into a real video, we need a second gem. So go back to Gemini, open the gem section again, and click New Gem. This time, name it Asset Generator. This is the production brain of the system. The story engine creates the voiceover script. The asset generator turns that script into everything the video needs visually. Now go to the knowledge section again. connect the same 6 notebooks we used before. This is important because the asset generator needs the same knowledge as the story engine. Then paste this prompt. This will convert your script and voiceover length into scene-by-scene image and video prompts. Paste in your finished voiceover script and enter the exact audio length in seconds. Then tell it your visual style directly. Don't leave that for the gem to guess. What you get back is a full production table with image prompts, video prompts, and scene order. Your blueprint is complete. Every scene mapped and every prompt ready. Now let's turn that table into something you can actually see. Step 5, visuals production. Open Google Flow. Take your first image prompt from your production table and paste it into the prompt box. Open the settings, select Nano Banana 2 as your generation model, and hit generate. That gives you your first keyframe. Now, for every scene after that, here is how you keep your character and style consistent. Click the plus button and add it into your next prompt as a reference. Paste your next image prompt, hit generate, and Flow builds your next scene using the first one as its visual anchor. Repeat that for every scene on your list. Paste the image prompt, attach the previous image as a reference, generate, and download. Do this until all your keyframes are created and saved. Now, time to animate them. Take your first video prompt from the production table, head back into Flow, switch to VO3, upload the matching image you just created, paste the prompt, and hit generate. Flow brings that still frame to life, matching the motion to the image behind it. Repeat that for every remaining scene, paste the video prompt, attach its matching image, generate, download. Every clip is ready. Time to make it one video. Step 6, assemble everything in CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import the voiceover and all your video clips. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline first, then drag each clip in order above it. Your production table already tells you which clip goes where, so there's no guessing. Match the emotion, not just the words. A quiet line gets a quiet shot, and a punch gets your strongest visual. Trim each clip so it lands exactly when the voice does. Then bring the clip audio down so only the voiceover comes through. Add captions. White text with a black outline reads well on most footage. Drop background music underneath the voiceover at a low volume, and 1 or 2 simple sound effects on the biggest moments. Add a simple transitions between each clip. Preview it once, check the pacing and captions, then export. That is it.
November 10th, 1975. Lake Superior is a churn of violence. The worst storm of the season has arrived. Hurricane-force winds scream across the water. 30-foot waves batter the iron hull.
One topic in, one finished cinematic video out. You only build the notebooks once. After that, every new video starts with just a topic. Pick one niche today and build your first notebook. That is literally the only step that takes any real time. Everything after it runs on repeat. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more AI systems like this one. Drop system in the comments and tell me your niche. I will reply with one content gap idea to get you started. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.